Have you ever been ignored by a woman? Have you ever liked a woman, felt a connection, and then, boom, she vanishes? No replies, no explanation, just silence. It stings, right? But what if I told you this silence isn't a dead end? What if it's actually your greatest opportunity to turn the tables? Women don't ignore men at random. It's a calculated choice. If they see you as low value, they move on. But here's the secret. When they realize they've misjudged you, it shakes them. That's when the power shifts. Here's how you make her regret ignoring you. 1. Flip the script. Let her chase the mystery picture. She's used to guys chasing her, flooding her DMs, begging for attention, but not you. When she pulls away, you don't react. No double texting, no. Did I do something wrong? Just silence. This isn't about playing games. It's about showing confidence. When you act like you don't need her attention, she starts wondering why. Why aren't you chasing? What's different about you? That curiosity pulls her in. Women crave a challenge, be the one she can't figure out. 2. The power of no reaction. Silence speaks louder than words. Think of a time when someone ignored you and you let it get to you. You kept checking your phone, feeling frustrated, maybe even sending another text. That's exactly what she expects you to do. Instead, imagine this. She ignores you, and you keep living your life unbothered. She expects you to crack, to react, but you don't. That's when doubt creeps into her mind. Did she make a mistake? Is she missing out? The moment you stop seeking validation is the moment she starts questioning her decision. 3. Upgrade your life. Make her regret walking away. Let's say she ignored you because she thought she could do better. Fast forward a few months, she sees you again, but you're different. You've hit the gym, your confidence is on another level, and your life is thriving. Suddenly, she's rethinking her decision. This is the real power move. Level up in every area. Get stronger, smarter, more successful. Not for her, but for yourself. The side effect? She'll notice, and she'll wonder if she made the wrong choice. 4. Become the guy everyone wants to be around. Ever met a guy who isn't the richest or best looking, but still attracts everyone? That's charisma. Women are drawn to energy, excitement, and unpredictability. If your life is all work and no fun, you risk becoming dull. So start saying yes to new experiences, crack jokes, enjoy the moment. Women don't just want a man with ambition. They want someone they can laugh with, someone who makes life exciting. Be that guy and she won't just regret ignoring you. She'll want to be part of your world. 5. Set boundaries. Demand respect. Don't beg for it. Imagine a guy who lets a woman walk all over him. She ignores him, disrespects him, and he still sticks around, hoping she'll change her mind. Sound familiar? Women test men to see how much they can get away with. If you tolerate disrespect, she loses respect for you. The moment you make it clear that you won't tolerate games, you stand out. Respect isn't given, it's earned. And when she realizes you have standards, she'll either step up or regret losing you. 6. Build a purpose so strong that nothing else matters. A man without a mission gets consumed by distractions, but a man with purpose, he's unstoppable. When you're focused on your goals, a woman's attention, or lack of it, becomes a side note, not the main story. When a woman sees that you're driven, that your world doesn't revolve around her, it makes her rethink everything. She ignored you thinking you needed her. Now she sees you don't, and that's the ultimate power shift. Final thoughts rejection isn't the end. It's an opportunity. Use it to become stronger, wiser, and more successful. When you stop seeking approval and focus on being the best version of yourself, the same people who ignored you will come back around. If this resonated with you, drop a like and subscribe for more powerful insights. Until next time, keep leveling up.